Hey there, superstars! Welcome to For Kids Preschool channel, the place where fun meets learning. Here you can learn awesome things like cool origami, fun drawing, silly games, alphabets and phonics, numbers and counting, magical stories, and so much more. So hit that subscribe button, grab your crayons, and let's learn having a blast. Let the fun begin. Welcome to our phonics lesson, level 2. This time, let's learn digraphs. What are digraphs? Digraphs are pairs of letters that make one sound, which means there will be two letters, but both of them together will give one sound. Let's look at the examples. Ch, k, ng, f, kwa, sh, th, w. Let's say the sounds again. Repeat after me. Ch, k, ng, f, kwa, sh, th, w. Let's look at words that make the ch sound. Bench, chair, chest, chick, chill, chips. Let's take turns reading. Level 1. The chick is small. Repeat with me. The chick is small. I like chips. The chair is red. Feel free to pause the video to have a go at other sentences. Level 2. Repeat after me. The chicken runs fast. We eat cheese on toast. She sat on a wooden chair. Feel free to pause the video to practice the rest of the sentences. Level 3. The child chose a chewy sweet. Repeat after me. The child chose a chewy sweet. I used chalk to draw on the chalkboard. Say it with me. I used chalk to draw on the chalkboard. Feel free to pause the video to practice the rest of the sentences. Now let's look at the words that has the k sound. Back, brick, crack, duck, lick, snack, truck, wick. Let's take turns reading. Level 1. I see a duck. Read with me. I see a duck. The sock is red. The sock is red. I have a backpack. I have a backpack. Feel free to pause the video to practice the other sentences. Level 2. The duck swims in the pond. Repeat after me. The duck swims in the pond. He put on a thick sock. Say it with me. He put on a thick sock. She sat on a rock and read a book. She sat on a rock and read a book. Feel free to pause the video to practice the other sentences. Level 3. The hiker carried a backpack up the hill. The hiker carried a backpack up the hill. I wore a thick jacket because it was cold. I wore a thick jacket because it was cold. Feel free to pause the video to practice other sentences. Let's look at the words that make the ng sound. Hanger, fang, king, lung, ring, tongue, strong. Let's take turns reading. Level 1. I can sing. Read it with me. I can sing. The bell will ring. Repeat after me. The bell will ring. The dog is long. The dog is long. Feel free to pause the video to practice the other sentences. Level 2. The bird hurt its wing. The bird hurt its wing. The phone began to ring. The phone began to ring. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. Feel free to pause the video to read the other sentences. Level 3. The children were laughing at the funny clown. The children were laughing at the funny clown. I heard the bell ringing loudly across the street. I heard the bell ringing loudly across the street. Feel free to pause the video to practice the sentences. Let's look at the words that have the f sound. Graph, phone, photo, trophy, alphabets, dolphin, elephant, sphere. Let's take turns reading. Level 1. Repeat after me. I see a phone. I see a phone. The trophy is on the table. The trophy is on the table. The photo is big. The photo is big. Feel free to pause the video to read the sentences. Level 2. I took a photo of my cat. I took a photo of my cat. The elephant splashed in the water. The elephant splashed in the water. Pause the video to practice. Level 3. The elephant used its trunk to drink water. The elephant used its trunk to drink water. He answered the phone in the middle of dinner. He answered the phone in the middle of dinner. Pause the video now to practice. Let's recap what we've learned so far. So far, we have seen these digraphs: ch, k, ng, f. Stay tuned for part 2, Phonics Lesson 2. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, press the like button, comment and share it with your friends.